Seeing emergency calls only on your simple mobile phone means it can't connect to the regular cellular network for calls, texts, or data. You can only make emergency calls like 911. This usually happens due to registration issues, SIM card problems, or incorrect APN settings. Registration issues mean your phone hasn't properly connected to Simple Mobile's network, often during activation. SIM card problems involve the SIM card itself being damaged, improperly inserted, or incompatible. Finally, incorrect APN, access point name settings, can block data connections, which sometimes affects voice calls too. Knowing these basics helps you troubleshoot the problem effectively. First, power your phone off and on to reset the connection. Make sure you have good signal strength by checking the signal bars. Then, reseat your SIM card, remove it, and put it back in securely. Next, check your APN settings. They should be set to simple. You can usually find APN settings in your phone's mobile network settings. If these steps don't work, use the Simple Mobile app to refresh your registration or contact Simple Mobile support directly at 1-877-878-7904. According to recent data, most issues are resolved with these basic steps.